Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to whoever's watching this. As you can tell, I'm a little bit dirty. I'm gonna show you why. Me and my boy here took apart this CD009 trans or CD001. I got a shaved bell housing. The dude next door, you can't see next door. Dude next door sandblasted this trans. It used to look like this, but now it look fucking brand new. And that's the old one. That's 14. This is what it looked like, 14 millimeters shaved down. So you can see that's shaved down. This is not shaved down. And explain how to get this done. We were hustling and bustling and nearly broke our asses off. Got the Serialnine on here. I'll put the link below on how to install that. But pretty much what you have to do to remove the bell housing of a CD001, CD009 trans, there's a bolt right here, because once you remove all the bolts that go around here, there will be one last bolt behind here, so you have to take the cover off. There'll be two, I think they're called snap rings, one here and one here. No, one here and one here. Once you remove those snap rings, literally this bell housing will just slide off. Make sure you keep do it on an even basis, that way nothing falls out. And pretty much that's step one. Step two is to remove the automatic trans out of here. See how much, since this is a Skyline, we got a little bit more clearance than the average S chassis. So I've been looking on videos on how to get this done on a Skyline. Nobody's really done it. They've done the swap, but nobody documented. So this will be my testament to y'all to show you how to get it done. So this will be step one. Step one, get your trans, remove it, get it shaved down to 14 millimeters to get the adapter plate to fit on. Step two, put it back together. That's what we're gonna do. Just seal it up. Both back ends, you're better off sealing up that sandwich plate. If you already have your trans out, this is automatic. So we're doing the full 6-speed swap. So take out the automatic trans, see how much clearance you have for this. And when you seal it back up, make sure you get all the little seals off with a razor blade, front and back. Put the seal on. Don't seal it up all the way, just let it sit, let it cure a little bit. Then torque down the bolts, that way it forms a good seal. Put the cover back on. So if you remove this cover, there will be the cover, and then there'll be a spring that goes right in here, and then a gasket. And also when you remove the bell housing, there'll be bolts all along in here. And then the last one that you might see might be a little 10 millimeter bolt that comes right there. So if you see it on the trans, it'll look like that. So the next video will be hopefully us putting this trans in and showing you how hard it is, or how easy it will be to put a CD009 in a Skyline. Yet again, like I said, we used the Serialnine. It was just one of those things. It's great, it's simple, it just went on. We got the Collins adapter plate, and we'll do other little things, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.